Property Owner Files, Season 9, Episode 3. How to Transfer Systems Without Losing Them. Is being a landlord really worth it? Building systems is one challenge. Keeping them intact after someone else takes over is another. Because most systems don't fail while you're running them. They fail after you step back. Today's file is about how to transfer systems without losing them. Welcome back to Property Owner Files. How to transfer systems without losing them. You chose the right person. They're capable. They're aligned. They understand what you built. And still, something changes. Small decisions shift. Processes loosen. Standards drift. Not immediately, gradually. Today's file is about why that happens. Because systems don't just need to be built. They need to be transferred correctly. Stay until the end because the final shift is what makes systems durable, even without you. And if this helps you think more clearly about ownership in life, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Part 1. Documentation isn't enough. Most owners think, if I write everything down, the system will hold, so they document. Checklists, processes, guidelines, and that helps. But documentation only explains what to do. It doesn't explain why it matters. Without that, the system becomes optional. Still watching? This is where understanding matters. Part 2. Understanding creates consistency. A system holds when the person running it understands why it exists, what it prevents, what happens when it's ignored. Because when pressure appears, people don't follow instructions. They follow understanding. If they don't understand the system, they modify it. Still watching? This is where most training fails. Part 3. Training teaches action, not thinking. Most handoffs focus on training. Here's how to do it. Follow this process. Use this checklist. That works, temporarily. But situations change. And when they do, training runs out. Thinking takes over. If thinking wasn't developed, the system gets replaced. Still watching? This is why systems break. Part 4. Systems break through small changes. Systems rarely fail all at once. They erode. One adjustment. One exception. One, this is fine, until the system is no longer the system. This doesn't happen from bad intent. It happens from small, repeated changes. Without awareness, drift becomes the new standard. Still watching? This leads to durability. Part 5. Making systems durable. Durable systems don't rely on memory. They rely on clear reasoning, shared understanding, consistent reinforcement. The goal isn't perfect execution. It's stable thinking. Because when the thinking transfers, the system adapts without breaking. This is what experienced owners understand. You don't transfer systems by explaining them. You transfer them by teaching how to think within them. Systems don't last because they're written down. They last because they're understood. In the next file, we explore how to step back without losing control entirely. This is Property Owner Files.